Alright, let's check out the WOLFBOX G900 PRO on the GMC Terrain I installed today. Oh, let's get up in here. There it is. There's me. Start the car. So there's the back. It's hard to see right now, but because of the time of day and whatnot. You got your split cam, front dash cam. You can move it. Move this one too. I like it on that. And then here's the install. These little wires go up in there. You don't see anything else. All the way back. The wires. Here's the power source. Kind of tucks down in there, then goes up underneath, and comes up here, and back to the mirror. I'm gonna go to the back. There's the camera coming out the trim. Had to route it through here, down the headliner, all the way through here to the camera. Shut this. Gotta make everything look good. I still gotta paste this down, but this is the GPS module. Just gotta put some sticky on that. Anyways, it's got all kinds of settings. You can do recording. It'll listen to you. Take a picture. There's all kind of commands you can say. It'll show your speed if you want it to, and positioning, time. Let's see. I think you can get into your. It's just a picture again. Hold on. Oh yeah, I think you get into your files there. Yeah. Take a picture. There's all kind of commands you can say. It'll show your speed if you want it to, and positioning. It's talking back to me. Anyways, it's pretty neat. And if you just want to not have it on, you can, and then kind of use it as a mirror. But I think I'm just going to leave it on. That's it. Clean install. Running off of this. Wires going this way, wires going that way, but you can't see them. See ya.